In this video, I'll show you how to convert an Excel file into a PDF document and for all of it to stay on one page. So here I've just got some made up data in my Excel sheet. So if you want to go ahead and convert this to a one-page PDF, what we need to do is click on File in the top left-hand side, come all the way down and select Print. Now, don't worry, we're not going to be printing this. This is just the method we're going to be using. Then for the printer selection, you need to make sure this is set to Microsoft Print to PDF. At the moment, you can see my sheet runs over to two different pages. So if you want all of this data on a one-page document, all you need to do is click on No Scaling right at the bottom and select Fit Sheet on one page. Now, as you can see, all of the data is displayed like so. We can even change the orientation to landscape if you want. For my document, I'm just going to keep it as portrait. And once you're happy with your document, just click on Microsoft Print to PDF. And once you're happy with your document, just go ahead and click on the print button over here. Select where you want to save this PDF document to. I'm going to save it on my desktop and I'm just going to call it Excel Sheet. Hit the save button. And then now if I head over to my desktop and double click on the Excel sheet, you can see this is our PDF document and the entire thing is on one single page. So that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.